Notion versus Lunatask. Which productivity tool is right for you? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Notion and Lunatask, two powerful productivity tools designed to help you organize tasks, manage projects, and track personal goals. While both tools help boost efficiency, they cater to different user needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know which one is the best fit for you, whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a business professional. Now, let's get started. What is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, databases, collaboration tools better yet. It's designed to be a highly flexible and customizable tool for personal and team productivity. Some of its standout features include customizable pages and databases for notes, tasks, and knowledge management, Kanban boards, calendars, and to-do lists for project tracking, collaboration features for teams with real-time editing, integration with third-party apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier, AI-powered features for content creation and automation. And I would say that it is best fit for individuals, teams, and businesses needing an all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and databases. On the other hand, what is Lunatask? Lunatask is a privacy-focused task manager that combines to-do lists, habit tracking, and mood tracking to help users stay productive while maintaining mental well-being. Some of its standout features include to-do lists, Kanban boards for organizing tasks, built-in habit tracking to monitor personal goals, mood tracking and journaling for mindfulness and emotional health, end-to-end encryption for complete privacy, and Pomodoro timers and time blocking for focused work sessions. And I would say that it is best fit for individuals who need a simple but effective task manager with personal well-being tracking. Now, let's explore some key differences of both platforms. For instance, their primary focus. When it comes onto Notion, it is a fully customizable workspace with advanced features for note-taking, databases, and team collaboration. While Lunatask, on the other hand, is a simple but powerful task manager with a focus on habits, mental health, and productivity tracking. And if we were to talk about task management, Lunatask offers ready-to-use to-do lists and habit tracking with built-in productivity tools, while Notion, on the other hand, supports Kanban boards, tables, and calendars but requires manual setup. And if we were to talk about collaboration versus privacy, when it comes onto Notion, Notion is built for team collaboration and real-time sharing, while Lunatask, on the other hand, is privacy-focused with end-to-end encryption for personal use. Now, let's look at their pricing. With Notion, you can get started for completely free, and you can see that their monthly plan begins at $12 per month, and it can go up to $18. With Lunatask, you can also get started for free, and their premium plan is $6 per month. So in conclusion, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Lunatask if you need a simple, well-structured task manager with habit and mood tracking for personal productivity and well-being. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose Notion if you want a versatile, all-in-one tool for notes, project management, and team collaboration. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.